Are you also sending order confirmation emails to your leads manually? Then you're totally wasting your time on that task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. You can automate sending email confirmation to your leads, and that can be done by creating an automation using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your entire business. So right here I'm going to show you how you can send order confirmation emails to your leads automatically. So now let's say I'm going to buy a product over here. So now here I'm going to buy this product named as Hydra Dew Moisturizing Cream. So I'm going to just click over this buy it now, and here I'm on my checkout page where I'm going to fill all the details. So here I have filled the checkout page, providing the email as demoUser@pabblytunes.com, first name demo, last name, user address and the city, and here I have provided all my payment details. Now let's click over this pay now button for making the payment. And right here you can see that my payment has been successful. Now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check whether I'm receiving an email over there or not. So right here I'm on my Gmail account where you can see I'm successfully receiving this email having the subject your order has been confirmed, and here you can check out that I'm getting the same name of the customer which I have recently filled over my checkout page. And here I'm getting all the order details, means the item which I have ordered, the quantity and the pricing. So now you have seen that as soon as I have placed an order over my Shopify as a user, an automated email is generated and I'm receiving it. So now you can also create this automation for your business for sending order confirmation emails, and for that you have to use Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect where we are going to create this amazing automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger, and now you might be wondering what is this trigger. So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles. First one is the trigger and second one is the action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new order over my Shopify. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Shopify. So now we just have to click over this add trigger, and here I'm going to search for the Shopify which is going to be my trigger application. So right here you can see that I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new order, means this particular application should be triggered as soon as a new order is created. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here I'm getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Shopify and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Shopify account. So right here I'm on my Shopify account where on the sidebar we are getting this option for settings, and right here I'm on my settings page where you can see this option of notifications which you have to select, and here I'm getting this option for webhooks which you have to select, and right here I'm on this page where I'm going to add a new webhook, and for that you just have to click over this create webhook, and here I'm going to select my event as order creation. Now here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect. Now we just have to click over the save button for adding this webbook URL to our Shopify, and right here you can see that our webbook has been saved successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you can see it's waiting for the webbook response. Now for providing the webbook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new order over our Shopify. So right here I'm on my Shopify store where I'm going to make a new purchase. Now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is butterfly necklace. So I'm going to just click over this buy it now, and right here I'm on my checkout page which I'm going to fill. So here I have provided all these details, entering the email as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and here I have provided the first name, last name, address, and here you can check out the payment details as well. Now let's click over this pay now button for making the payment, and right here you can see that my payment has been successful. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this order detail over there or not. And right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 11 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled. And here you can check out all the details of the order, and here you can see the name of my customer, its address, its phone number, and the rest of details. So now this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now as soon as someone will make a purchase over your Shopify store, the data will be automatically captured by Shopify. And now I'm going to use this response for sending an automated emails to the customers. So for that I'm going to use my second principle of Pabbly Connect, that is action application. So I'm going to just click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to select Gmail as my action application. Now let's select the app event as send email. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here I'm on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here you have to sign up with your Google account for building a new connection. So I'm going to use my existing connection by simply selecting the save button, and right here you can see that my connection has been built in, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the sender's name. So here I'm going to enter my sender's name as Pab Mart, which is the name of my business, and afterwards we are getting this option for sender's email address. So right here you can enter your business email address or your email address. And afterwards we are getting this option for entering the recipient's email address. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter it, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually type these details, as typing will make the data static, but I want to make my data dynamic so that it can be replaced with every new response received, and that method is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the recipient's email address from the response which I'm receiving from Shopify, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application. So from the response of the Shopify, I'm going to map my recipient's email address. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see I'm getting this recipient's email address which I'm going to map. Now we are getting this field for CC and BCC. So if you want to send this email to multiple recipients, then you can enter it. Now here I'm going to enter the email subject. So this is the email subject. Now let's enter the email content. So this is the email content which I'm going to send to my user, and after this word hello, I'm going to map the name of my customer from the response of the Shopify. So from the response of the Shopify, now let's search for the name. So right here you can see I'm getting the name which I'm going to map. Now let's map the item ordered. So here I have mapped the name of the item. Now let's map the quantity. So here I have mapped the quantity. Now let's map the total pricing. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single order received over your Shopify. Now we are getting this next field for selecting the email content type. So from here you can select your email content type, either plain or HTML. Now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary, so I'm going to just click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that an email might be sent to my user. So now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check it. So right here I'm on my Gmail account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this email having the subject the same which we have recently entered over our Pabbly Connect, and here you can check out all the details of the user that is having the name smart user, the item ordered, the quantity and the pricing. So now you have seen how you can create this amazing automation by using which you can send order confirmation emails to your leads as soon as they place an order. So now you can also create this automation for your business too. And now this is going to eliminate manually sending emails to your customers. And now you can just focus on growth of your business instead of these manual tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.